Hey guys, I'm back again with another minoxidil video updates. This is gonna be week 23, and I would say I'm having a good amount of differences compared to last week, but I'll get into that in a bit. But yeah, so in the beginning of this week, or the beginning of last week, I started derma rolling. If you guys didn't know, I stopped derma rolling I guess week 10 or 12 when I started, so I'm back on it again. And I'll be derma rolling like slower, not slower, but not so heavy, so the hyperpigmentation doesn't return. Because I'm really trying to get these gains come on my face. And pause. Whoa. So as I said earlier, I'm going to start derma rolling. As of last week, I'm going to continue. Hopefully that improves my gains significantly. So yeah, so this is my right side, my weakest side. You can't really see the vellus hairs that much, but they're there, trust me. And what I've noticed is hairs are being more evident, especially where my mustache is. They're connecting more, you can see it. So I'm excited about that. My sideburns, I can always grow sideburns, but I don't think I can ever grow them this thick. So that's good, and they're gently creeping down, as you can see. I wish more hair would grow under my my jaw, but it's getting there slowly but surely. The front area. So if this guy parks right next to me, I'll be mad. Sorry, I'm in a parking lot. Sorry. So the front area. Yeah. This is my chin is coming in slowly and nicely, I guess. And then you can see the hairs on my left side, which is my strongest side. So you can see it's coming in. So hopefully a derma roller helps that. But I'm gonna throw pictures comparing last week's from this week's, and hopefully there's a difference. I'm pretty sure there's a difference. But yeah, that's week 23. I'm hoping by August, because this is July 28, I believe. I hope by August I have something that's visible. But whatever, if it doesn't happen, I'm still gonna be on the journey for a good 2 years. So hopefully the derma roller helps me out, and yeah, that's my progress for now. I'll just throw up pictures comparing my last week to this week, so you can see, or maybe further. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.